Annals. I'm Hemin.
I'm Anusha.
Today we'll be recreating the recipes from Ghibli Studio movies.
Everyone knows how good the food in Ghibli movies looks, so we're gonna be trying and recreating that today.
Okay, so without further ado, let's go.
Let's go.
For the first part of the video, we will start making the pancake from the Kiki's delivery service.
Guys, so we just put in the flour for the pancakes. So we're going all in. I'm not sure if I can do this. Look how gorgeous. And then 1 egg.
Mm-hmm. And now we put in 90 ml of milk. How's
So
we can take more, we can see which one works. Okay, so we need 90 ml of this.
we're just going all in.
So now we're pouring the milk in. And now we mix.
Have you ever tried a batter before?
I have actually, yes. Not too bad, it's good. Like cookie batter or?
Yeah, any kind of batter. I actually think that the batter tastes better than like
actual
the actual pancakes.
I get what you mean here. If it burns, that's entirely my fault.
Yeah, it's yo. Just kidding.
This is a terrible way to do this.
Wow. Look at this guy.
That almost smells like burning to me. Oh no, that's good. Yay! Oh no, oh but it's so cute though. It's actually kind of cute. This is a very weird pancake.
But it looks so fluffy.
It does look fluffy.
I love this kind of pancake.
Okay, so I don't get this stove. I'm so confused. There's like actual flame. What is this? We burned our pancakes, but
I think it's good. It's not that burnt.
okay, we'll put this on the side for now.
More episode. People gotta know more about cooking.
Hey, I know how to cook. I just don't know how to do it in front of the camera. No more how to like not cook. Yeah, see, that's much more. I don't know why I was putting 1 spoon at a time. We're doing like one big one. So you use this one?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's gonna get too thick. Yeah, I can do it this time. That one's gonna be like burnt on the outside and then not cooked on the inside, I bet. Perfect combination. That's exactly what you want for a pancake.
Super healthy for the breakfast.
Yeah.
Like a mold for this kind of thing. We can make it
There
into
is, yeah.
fish shape.
Oh, fish shaped for what?
No, it's just like
Just for fun. Okay, now I need to flip this. That's not gonna be easy.
she's gonna flip it. Can she do it?
Probably not. Let's find out anyway. Okay. No, don't. Wow. It actually looks pretty. It's a weird shape, but it's pretty.
Wow, it's pretty. It's pretty, guys. It's pretty this time.
We're just figuring it out one sip at a time. It like looks like the people who do like pancake art. It kind of looks like that with the shapes.
Oh yeah. And we accidentally made it.
Yeah, you made that. This is all you, Hemin. Okay, let's.
Thank you. My nose getting wet.
Okay, now it's burning again. I feel it.
Okay, we're
let's-
almost finished. So
yeah,
wow.
Let's pull it out now.
Are you excited?
Batter in. Pancake 3. So like 4 people.
And I was like, let's make a mini one. Let's make a mini one, like a really mini one.
Like a baby one later.
Yeah. So it's 4 people then. Like parents, and 1 big kid, and like 1 newborn baby.
What? I don't think newborn babies are allowed to have pancakes.
You can actually mince it.
Or like make it into like pancake.
Pancake soup.
Pancake. Oh. Butter smells good. The butter always smells so good.
I agree. Can I put it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I know it's not getting any better, but like, why do I feel like so confident this time?
Because you are getting better. You have to believe in yourself, Hemin. You got this. You're the master of pouring pancake batter.
I think you should open a class though.
Of how to not cook pancakes. I think I'll do a very good job of teaching the class. Oh, with my outfit as well.
You're so convincing though. Very persuasive.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Is it good? Yeah, I think the shape of this will be pretty. Look at tooth.
It looks like a smiley face to me.
I know, it's a smiling tooth. Like, you know, like when you go to the dentist's office and you see like the smiling teeth on the walls.
For the second part of the video, we'll be making the Ponyo ramen noodles from the movie Ponyo.
Okay, so here are our ingredients. We'll be using ramen. And then we have slices of ham. That's upside down. Slices of ham right here. And then we have some green onion.
We're gonna put the last bag of seasoning flavors. It smells really good, but make sure you guys don't have your nose near it because it's gonna make you cough for a few good seconds.
Oh.
And
Oh, so it's actually not the last bag. We have another bag coming in. So this one is the vegetable.
it's in.
By the way, we washed our hand already. So
Yeah, yep. We're clean.
don't worry, we're clean. When we did.
Like a thing to open, but it's so thick.
Oh, it's not working?
And, no, it's just thick. It's just thick to like because they have the thing here.
Right. Got on my nose. Okay guys, the ramen's almost done, so we can start pouring into bowls. So bowls. Okay, so now I've got the bowls. Okay, and now let's pour it into it.
Should we turn off the fire?
Yeah, turn off the flame. On off, right?
So guys, here are the eggs that our dear Anusha has prepared.
Let's open up this package. Very carefully wrapped in tissue. Ah, the beautiful egg.
Who did this, Anusha? Did you do it by yourself?
No, I did not do it by myself. Oh my god. Oh, is it just me or is peeling an egg is like super satisfying? Cut it as like aesthetically as possible. And then we can put this here. Whee! Perfect. Okay, cut.
Missing someone with all your
our 2 dishes.
Yeah, go and feast now.
I'm so excited for this part because I'm super hungry.
Yeah. So what do you want to try first?
I think I would go for the ramen first.
Let's do the ramen first.
Drum rolls.
Excited. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's dig in.
It's really good, as expected.
Oh my goodness, it exceeded my expectations.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe to the Yonsei Annals. Bye!
Bye guys.